In today's video, we're going to take the shower floor from this to this. We're also going to finish tiling the entire master shower. And finally, we're going to grout the niche in the shower floor. So let's get into this video. What up, y'all? Israel back with another video. What it do, y'all? What it do? I want to be 100% transparent, y'all. I look like a homeless person. I'll allow it. So yeah, just to give you guys 1000% transparency, I don't know if I'm going to post this. I don't know if I even want to tell y'all. If I tell you, then you'll know I'm a failure. It's fine. I don't know if I want to post this. So I did not install the floor properly. There is some lippage happening in the floor, but also there is highs and lows, some valleys. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. I kind of messed up this floor situation, so I'm gonna see if I can fix it. I don't know if I want to post this. I don't know. A little bit too embarrassed to do it, but yeesh, it's just bad. I'm gonna see what I can do. I'll check in with you guys after I'm done. Here's the final result of all that sanding. That looks a lot better, and it flows towards the drain a lot better. Nice job. So yeah, guys, so that's what I did. I did a 40, I did an 80, and a 220 grit. So now I just have to grout it, and then we'll be all done with the floor. Alright guys, so here is the final installation of the insides of the tile situation. All the bottom tile is all installed and everything, and everything fits pretty well. So next step, guys, is to go about grouting, and and I hear my daughter in the background, so I gotta go to I gotta go to her, y'all tripping. Alright, Zuzu, I'm coming. Thank you for joining me on this journey, because it is a journey. Yes, journey. That's what it is. Yo. Lord. Thank you guys for watching this video. It's been a lot of work, hard work, and I think it's paying off. Look at that shower though. 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 Almost done though. Like I said, almost done. Got to do grout and then put the fixtures in. Then we're ready to shower, guys. Make sure you guys comment in the comment section. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And make sure you turn on that notification bell. I gotta get going, gotta go to my daughter. And I will check in with you guys later. All right, peace.